Welcome to the channel, Gary Fix It. Ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Gary Fix It. And today we have this 2013 Toyota Prius V in front of us. And guys, I want to say thanks for tuning in and watching the channel and supporting us as we grow. So like, share, and subscribe guys, it helps the channel grow. Alright guys, this is a look at the 2013 Toyota Prius V disc brakes, and we're going to go ahead and replace the mounting disc brake cylinder, the left right, or aka also known as the mounting disc. So this is the mounting disc right here. And what we would have to do is remove the brake cylinder to get to the mounting disc. Alright guys, so I just removed our two 14mm bolts away from the brake cylinder. So basically, here's a look at the bolt. And you need a 14mm socket and a ratchet. So once those are removed, you want to take a flathead screwdriver, put it between your brake cylinder and your mounting disc, and move away your brake cylinder. And you want to place this towards the side and use maybe a bungee cord or a zip tie, so there's no yanking on the brake wire. So in order to remove the mounting disc bracket, you will need a 18mm socket, and go ahead and use a stronger ratchet if you can. If not, then you probably need a breaker arm or something, but I used a 18mm socket with a 1/2-inch ratchet. Before you guys go ahead and open the bolt, you can spray it down with a good amount of WD-40, and it would help open the bolt a little easier. So there's two of them, one on the top and one on the bottom. So in front of me is the mounting bracket that I went ahead and purchased from my local Toyota dealership, as you can see. To decipher on which one you need, there's a big R standing for right. So that's a good indicator to tell you which side this bracket should be going on. You guys, we're going ahead and just unpackaging this brand spanking new mounting bracket for the right hand side of this 2013 Toyota Prius. And what you see now is so guys, you want to save the rubber boots that came with the old mounting bracket, because the new one does not come with them. But if they are ripped or torn or damaged in any way, you guys probably want to order them from your local dealership in Toyota. Would be a good idea to replace them too as well while this job is underway. Voila guys, that's the new mounting bracket that we have in place there, and we're going ahead and tightening up the two 18mm bolts that we took off with our 18mm socket and our 1/2" ratchet, guys. Alright guys, so now we have the mounting bracket installed, and it's nice and snug, and now we have these brand new pins that are going to go into this mounting bracket. And before you put them in, I recommend just using some grease. Just lubricate them before you put them inside your mounting bracket. And then do the same thing for the opposite side, guys. There we are, man. Well on our way to finishing the task. Just want to mention, guys, thanks for tuning in and watching the video. Hope the best on your guys' action plan to get this completed. Guys, if you haven't already, smash that like button for YouTube's algorithm. Subscribe, share with your friends and family. Alright guys, I just want to mention here that I'm reusing the brakes hardware and the brake pads, because I replaced these not too long ago, and they seem fine, and it's a good idea if you need new brakes to replace them at this point in time. So guys, we are almost finished the task. All we are left with is putting back our brake caliper and tightening up the 14mm bolts and using a ratchet, and make sure it's nice snug, and put back the wheel and move to the next side if that's what your guys wanting to do, right? Because in my car I'm gonna replace both of these brackets. All right guys, so stay tuned.